Yo, it's time, come on, it's time. Most pay it no mind, but we's gonna shine. Quickly as I make some don't be on the side, but y'all already know what the time is. Yeah. Yeah. We fade the artist. It's your boy.
Hey guys, I'm We Face the Artist. I know you can't really see that picture all that well, but I'll try to post it up. So yeah, let's just get right on in it. So I know for some reason it's not popping up where you can see the full drawing as I'm going over it. There was some cropping issue. Right here, I'm just adding in some touches here, just making sure, you know, I'm keeping the focus on the actual drawing. Some helpful tips though, even though this is a speed drawing, is if by any chance anything is unproportionate, just turn your image upside down. That way you'll be able to see what's not right. Another thing I do when I'm drawing is I like to listen to lo-fi music, whether it's nerdy music, this lo-fi, or just jazzy music in general. Sometimes classical. It just keeps the vibe. I mean, every now and then, I'm sure you'll see me singing, but I tend to stay pretty focused, especially if I'm just trying to get down all the little pieces together. Trying to make sure everything is lining up perfectly. While I'm recording this video, I'm actually using my iPad. I was going to use my camera, but it turned out to be uncharged at the moment, so I decided to just do it with my iPad. Since I have it, might as well use it. Sometimes you just got to use what you have. Don't ever think that you have to spend a lot of money just to create content. You're already a creative person in the first place. I mean, you're already drawing. You're already writing, you're already making poems, you're already doing something. So just take that moment and just create. Find some way to show that you can create something. And if you want, you could just record it and post on YouTube or many other sites. I chose YouTube. For example, when I mean cheap, I don't have a tripod for my iPad, so I'm literally using a stack of like books and a stand that I had come with my iPad, and I'm just propping it up enough for you guys to see me and the drawing. That didn't cost much, just a little bit of creativity, honestly, or a little bit of brain. I actually have a surprise at the end of the video if you make it there. You can skip ahead if you like, but it's a little something for my Patreons. If you aren't a Patreon of mine, you can go ahead and follow. It is We Face the Artist, and all you would have to do, especially for this video in general, is attribute $1, and you'll literally get to download a PDF file of the drawing, and you can color, you can recreate, you can do anything you want. And if you do recreate anything or color, I recommend putting at We Face the Artist so then I can see your work, whether it's on Instagram or even Twitter. just for a brief update, I have literally transitioned into digital work. At first it took a little bit because I was unfamiliar with all of the programs, but after a little bit it was fairly easy. I mean, in retrospect, I literally saved tons of money because what I was really wanting to do is get the Cintiq from Bamboo and literally draw from there, but the iPad actually does exactly what I need to do, at least for my style. So I decided to invest in myself and literally get the iPad. We're nearly done with the drawing, and I would like to thank everyone who has made it this far. And you're about to see the surprise, so just wait just a tad bit longer. Now we're nearly done. Just gonna add just a few more touches here. I am using lining tools, ink lining tools. Yeah, it looks like I'm almost done here. Here, let me show you the piece. Yep. Oh, and I didn't forget, I will show you what I was basically looking off. Here you go. I was drawing this right here. Alright, now we're going to move on to making it digital. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my iPad. That way you can see me doing that. I'm glad you guys have made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you become a patron soon. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Later.